Hello and a very warm welcome. We're absolutely thrilled to have you join us. Today, we're breaking down the U.S. green card process, demystifying each step along the way. We'll provide clarity and guidance. If you're new to U.S. immigration, or even if you've started the process, you're definitely in the right place. We're here to support you. The green card journey can seem overwhelming at first glance with its complex forms and regulations, but we'll make it simple, breaking down each component into manageable parts. We'll cover the main types of green cards available, exploring the various pathways to permanent residency, and what you need to know about each, providing essential information to help you make informed decisions. No legal background needed. We'll avoid jargon and technical terms. Just an open mind, a willingness to learn, and maybe a notebook to jot down key points. Our goal is to give you a clear roadmap, a step-by-step guide to navigate the green card process, so you can confidently take your next steps towards achieving your immigration goals. We'll use real-life examples and plain language, ensuring that the information is accessible and easy to understand. Whether you're hoping to join family in the United States, build a career and pursue professional opportunities, or start fresh and embark on a new chapter in your life, we'll help you understand your options and determine the best path forward for your unique situation. By the end of this guide, you'll know the basics, gaining a solid foundation in U.S. immigration law, of each green card type and how to get started, empowering you to take the first steps with confidence. Remember, knowledge is your best tool in this process, providing you with the power to navigate the system effectively. If you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share it with others who might benefit. It helps us reach more people and continue creating valuable content for our growing community. Drop your questions in the comments below. We're eager to hear from you and address any concerns you may have. We love hearing from you and value your feedback as we strive to improve our content. Let's get started on your green card journey together, embarking on this path towards a brighter future. Grab a pen, take notes, and let's dive in, equipping you with the knowledge and resources you need. Your support helps us create more helpful content for our community, enabling us to reach and assist even more individuals ready to take the first step. Let's begin this exciting journey together. Here's your comprehensive guide to the U.S. green card, your key to unlocking a world of opportunities. What exactly is a green card? It's a question that many aspiring immigrants ask, and the answer is fundamental to understanding your future in the United States. Officially, it's called a permanent resident card. This document is your official confirmation of your right to live and work in the U.S. indefinitely. It proves you're allowed to live and work in the U.S. permanently. This is a significant step towards building a life in America, offering opportunities and security. The card isn't really green anymore, it's more of a pinkish hue, but the name stuck. It's a testament to the history of immigration in the U.S. Green card holders can own property, allowing you to invest in your future and establish roots in a community. Attend school, opening doors to higher education and career advancement, and apply for a driver's license, granting you the freedom to travel and commute within the country. You're protected by U.S. laws and can travel more freely. This protection ensures your rights are upheld and you can navigate the world with greater ease. It's also a step toward U.S. citizenship, if that's your goal. The green card is often the first major milestone on the path to becoming a naturalized citizen, but with these rights come responsibilities. You must pay taxes, obey the law, and make the U.S. your main home. These obligations are essential for maintaining your legal status and contributing to society. Leaving the country for long periods can put your status at risk. It's important to understand the rules regarding international travel to protect your residency. Always carry your green card as proof of your status. It's your primary form of identification as a permanent resident and should be readily available. For millions, a green card means stability and new opportunities. It's a chance to build a better future, pursue your dreams, and contribute to the vibrant tapestry of American society. It's more than a card, it's a symbol of a new life, a fresh start, and the realization of the American dream. Understanding what it means is the first step to finding your path. Knowledge is power, and understanding the green card is crucial for navigating the immigration process. Whether you want to work, study, or reunite with family, the green card is your key. It unlocks a world of possibilities and provides a foundation for a successful future in the United States. It's the prize at the end of a challenging process, a testament to your perseverance and determination to build a new life. Now let's look at how you can get one. We'll break down the different avenues and requirements to help you understand your options. The journey starts with knowing your options. There are various pathways to obtaining a green card, each with its own set of criteria and procedures. Let's explore the main ways to qualify. We'll cover family-based petitions, employment-based sponsorships, and other avenues for obtaining permanent residency. Ready to see which path fits you? Let's go. We'll guide you through the process and help you determine the best course of action for your individual circumstances. Family is one of the most common and cherished ways to obtain a green card in the United States. It's a pathway built on the fundamental principle of keeping families together. If you have a close relative who's already a U.S. citizen or a lawful green card holder, they may be eligible to sponsor you for permanent residency. This sponsorship is a significant step towards realizing your American dream. The immigration process begins with your family member, the sponsor, officially filing a petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. This petition serves to legally establish the familial relationship between you and your sponsor. Accurate documentation is crucial at this stage. Within family-based immigration, there are two main groups: immediate relatives and family preference categories. Understanding the distinction between these categories is essential for navigating the process effectively. Immediate relatives, spouses, unmarried children under 21, and parents of U.S. citizens have no yearly numerical cap imposed on the number of green cards issued, so the wait time is generally shorter compared to other categories. This makes it a more streamlined path for eligible individuals. Other family members, such as adult siblings or married children of U.S. citizens, fall under preference categories, which are subject to annual limits set by Congress. This often results in longer waiting times due to the limited number of visas available each year. For example, a U.S. citizen can typically sponsor a spouse relatively quickly, but sponsoring a sibling may unfortunately take several years, sometimes even a decade or more, depending on their country of origin. To stay informed about visa availability, the U.S. Department of State publishes a monthly visa bulletin, which indicates who's next in line based on their priority date. While patience is undoubtedly key throughout this process, the ultimate reward of reuniting with your family in the United States is often considered well worth the wait and the effort involved. It's important to remember that each family-based immigration category has its own specific eligibility requirements and processing timelines, so thorough research is essential. If you're seriously considering pursuing this path to a green card, take the time to carefully assess which category best aligns with your family relationships and individual circumstances. Family ties hold significant weight and are a powerful consideration within the U.S. immigration system. If you are fortunate enough to have a qualifying relative who is a U.S. citizen or green card holder, this avenue could potentially represent your fastest route to obtaining permanent residency. Begin by gathering all the necessary documentation to support your case and initiate an open and honest conversation with your family member who will be acting as your sponsor. While the immigration process can indeed be lengthy and complex, it's important to remember that it's a well-established and proven path that has enabled millions of individuals to build new lives in the United States. Throughout the entire process, it's crucial to maintain meticulous organization of your paperwork, and to diligently follow each step with careful attention to detail. Now let's transition our focus to another significant pathway to obtaining a green card: employment-based immigration. Family-based immigration plays a vital role in preserving family unity and allowing loved ones to live together in the United States. It truly underscores the importance of the ties that bind us. Next, we'll delve into the world of work-based green cards and explore how you can potentially build a successful career and life for yourself in the U.S. Are you ready to learn more about the opportunities that await? Let's continue our journey and explore the possibilities. Employment-based green cards are for people with skills the U.S. needs. There are 5 main categories, EB1 through EB5. EB1 is for top talent. Think scientists, artists, or executives. Some EB1 applicants can even self-petition, skipping the job offer. EB2 is for professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability. EB3 covers skilled workers and professionals with at least a bachelor's degree. Most EB2 and EB3 applicants need a job offer and labor certification, proving no qualified U.S. worker is available. EB4 is for special immigrants like religious workers. EB5 is for investors who create jobs in the U.S. For example, a tech company might sponsor a software engineer under EB2. Each category has its own process and wait times. If you have unique skills or a job offer, this could be your path. Employment-based green cards reward talent and investment. Check which category matches your background. Talk to your employer about sponsorship. Let's look at another unique path. The Diversity Visa Lottery. Ready for a chance-based option? Let's go. The Diversity Visa Lottery, or DV Lottery, is a unique way to get a green card. It's open to people from countries with low US immigration rates. If you qualify, you can enter the lottery online for free. You'll need a high school education or 2 years of recent work experience. Winners get the chance to apply for a green card, but selection doesn't guarantee approval. You'll still need to pass interviews and background checks. The odds are long, but for some, it's a life-changing opportunity. Be careful. Only use the official government website to apply. The DV Lottery is all about luck, but it's worth a try if you're eligible. Follow instructions closely to avoid disqualification. Let's move on to humanitarian paths. The US offers green cards for humanitarian reasons. Refugees and asylees, people fleeing persecution, can qualify. Refugees apply from outside the US, asylees apply from within. Both must prove a well-founded fear based on race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or social group. After 1 year in the US, they can apply for a green card. There are also options for victims of trafficking, T visa, and certain crime victims, U visa. These paths require strong evidence and patience. For many, they offer safety and a new start. Humanitarian green cards are a lifeline for those in danger. If you qualify, seek help from a legal expert. There are other special green card categories for unique situations. Registry is for people who've lived in the US since before 1972. Amerasian children, certain religious workers, and international broadcasters may also qualify. Special immigrant juvenile status helps abused or neglected children in the US. Each category has strict requirements and limited availability. If your situation is unusual, check if a special category fits. These paths are less common but can be life-changing. Always review the latest rules and consult an expert if needed. Let's wrap up with your next steps. Here's how to move forward. We've covered the main green card paths: family, employment, lottery, humanitarian, and special categories. Each has its own rules, timelines, and requirements. Your next step is to research the category that fits you best. Visit the official USCIS website for up-to-date forms and instructions. Consider speaking with an immigration attorney for personalized advice. Stay organized and keep track of deadlines. Remember, the process can be long, but persistence pays off. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. We wish you the best of luck on your green card journey. Stay informed, stay hopeful, and take your next step with confidence. Until next time, goodbye.